Hi guys, NCWQ here, and if y'all know yesterday, 26 barges broke loose and headed down the Ohio River, which shut down multiple bridges. Law enforcement agencies, along with authorities, were on high alert as approximately 26 barges broke loose and headed down the Ohio River. Out of abundance of caution, law enforcement shut down multiple bridges that included the McKees Rock Bridge in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and halted traffic due to the incident. Um, 23 barges were loaded and 3 were empty, and 6 barges jammed up against the Elmsworth Dam. Reports of extensive damage has been reported at Peggy's Marina, and this is Peggy's Harbor. I guess that's Peggy's Marina as well, right here. Authorities asked everyone in the area to avoid the area until further notice. So, according to other news, a pair of Pittsburgh area bridges reopened Saturday morning after 26 barges broke loose the previous night, which was last night, floated uncontrolled down the Ohio River, damaging a marina. The bridges, about 2.5 miles apart, were closed after the barges, most of which were loaded with dry cargo, broke free after record breaking rainfall Friday night, according to the authorities. The McKees Rock Bridge reopened Saturday after it shut down out of abundance of caution. The bridge was closed, but no damage was found after inspection. The West End Bridge was also closed in both directions, and rail traffic was shut down on the rail bridge to Bruno Island. That was according to the Pittsburgh city officials. Colonel Nicholas Mellon, Commander U.S. Army Corps of Engineer, Pittsburgh District, said in a statement Saturday that all bridges are currently open for vehicular traffic. They had no reports of the West End Bridge being hit. Governmental authorities have informed them that all bridges are currently open for vehicular traffic. Campbell Transportation Company said 25 barges had been located. The company said 17 barges were secured and under control, and 8 others were found up against Elmsworth locks and dams. So let's see where the Elmsworth locks and dams is. We'll put that into Google Earth over here. So that is over here. This is Elmsworth locks and dams here. No hazardous materials were on board the barges, according to Pittsburgh officials. Of the 26 barges, 23 were loaded and carrying dry cargo, including coal, according to a news release. While there's been no reports of people injured, Peggy's Harbor, a friendly owned and operated full-service marina located on the Ohio River, was damaged. The incident comes just 2 weeks after the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore collapsed when it was struck by a cargo vessel, which killed 6 construction workers and has left commuters and workers unable to travel back and forth and having to go around different ways. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else here about this. Um, Officials said that 11 barges had been pinned against the riverbank. Safety officials said 26 barges broke loose and were floating uncontrolled. Most of the barges were loaded with coal and 3 of the barges were empty. There have been no reports of injuries, and of course, there was extensive damage to Peggy's Marina. Another marina downriver, Peggy's Bridgeport Boat Club, lost nearly 90 boat slips because of the runaway barges. As of Friday night, 11 barges were pinned against the riverbank near Bruno Island. 14 more continued down the river, with 6 going down Elmsworth Dam, going over the Elmsworth Dam. So apparently they went over it. Images posted online show several barges rested along the side of the dam. Officials with Campbell Transportation, which owns the barges, said the company is investigating how the barges broke free. The incident occurred under high water conditions on the rivers, resulting in strong currents due to the flooding in the area. Um, the company's immediate priority is ensuring public safety and minimizing any potential environmental impact. Statler said that Campbell Transportation is actively working with the Coast Guard, State Police, PennDOT, and local agencies to assess the situation. Branchport Club manager said, "It is like losing a member of the family. Now we won't be able to open for business this year." And that's the Branchport Boat Club manager. Both the West End and McKees Rock Bridges have closed overnight, but reported shortly open after midnight. So, anyways, you guys, they're doing a big whodunit. And of course, they stated that it did flood in the area yesterday. So I'm assuming that the flooding could have something to do with how those 26 barges broke loose. But if they were moored, but if they were tied up, then I would think that it would be uh, something that should be investigated if they had actually been tied up to a dock somewhere. Anyways, you guys, that's my theory, and I hope y'all are having a good day. And I will see y'all if anything else big comes on. Much love and God bless.